Oh, hit me in the nose. That makes me sneeze.
Don't move. Don't move.
Are you gonna punch me?
Not hard. I'm just gonna hit you. Don't move. Wow. Okay, fine. I can't do it.
Okay, fine.
He's fine.
Husky.
I'm dying. Oh.
It did work.
You done yet?
Oh my god.
Don't make me
laugh.
laugh.
I can't.
We're gonna kiss you.
Oh, Katya. Wow, way to hit him in the nose. It was hilarious.
It actually worked a lot.
I almost sneezed.
Oh my gosh.
Backseat.
What?
The backseat of his car. Which song is that?
In the backseat of the car, Carrie Underwood, with my wheels undone, and I am hungry.
Look at his hair, please. That is gross.
Is my hair cute?
No.
You would girls ever crush on me?
Yeah, right.
Uh-oh. I want some
Someone help
sweet
me,
corn. Can I have
please.
some sweet corn tomatoes, please?
Someone adopt her. She's a cute, adorable 15-year-old. Oh god. Oh god. Ew, your hand's grimy.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Mom. At least you don't have to worry about losing one of your kids to a wife.
Who, you?
Who are you?
Him.
A wife?
Are you?
You're a girl.
Are you implying I'm lesbian?
We need to say a spouse.
Oh, so you're not gonna lose him to a spouse.
No.
He can live with you and take care of you forever.
Oh,
No
no.
girls are ever gonna talk to him.
I've already had my first kiss. So, here's your punishment.
Ew, don't show that to me.
What if that was bloody?
I would laugh.
Why are you
throw
eating
up.
it?
My friends.
His face, I just want to dunk in like a vat of soap. Or like peroxide.
Hershey school.
Ooh, I like that barn. I went to
That school? I want to go to that school.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there.
Alright, that's enough.